Man, I don't know what to do with my wife. Should go start working at Pizzeria? You wanna work at a pizzeria? Don't know anything? You just teach you how to cook pizza? Yes, sir, I'll teach you. I'll teach you every step of the way on how to cook pizza. You'll be the best pizza maker has ever been. Oh, I hope you know why. Oh, I'm not gonna be why. I'm not turn on the oven. Then I'll keep it off. Right, the bucket's right there. Anyway, so are you ready to start cooking some body hell pizza? I guess. Alright, so what should we give you a pizza restaurant name? What about the Pizzeria? I thought what we call Chef Pee-Pee's and Gordon Ramsay's Pizzeria. I guess it won't be that bad of an idea. Name. Well, we gotta make your pizza as good as possible. Because we have almost 12 customers come at the end of the day. So you got 1 hour to make the best pizza to ever exist in the entire year. I mean, then I'm here waiting. Okay, so we got like 12, almost 12 people coming here at the end of the day. I cannot mess this up. Also, hey, what pizza do they want? There's all pepperoni, cheese, sausage, peppers, I think, black olives. Is black olives even a topping? Like, I'm being honest, I don't know. I think olives topping. I don't know about black olives as a topping. Maybe it is. Also, it's like pretty disgusting with like veggies on pizza. Hold on. Those customers calling us right now. Hello? Yes, I would like 1 pepperoni pizza for my family. Alright. This dude says that pepperoni pizza for the family. Do you think you got that? Yep. I won't disappoint you, boss. I will not disappoint you. Okay. And time. What, 20 minutes later? It's 40 minutes. See what you made. Oh, PP. No, that just don't look that bad. That looks good. Yeah, no. Everybody's gonna love this. Ding dong. Ooh, I bet that's the customer. I'm gonna check its door right now. Hey guys, so I heard you guys have pizza. Yup, now come on in. Let's try it. Also, this chef who made it. Also, why is his name so weird? What? Why is his name Chef Pee-Pee? Like that's gross. Like that's gross a man part. This guy's is in. Well, I don't know, man. But hey, would you like to try this pizza? Hey, me and my family are pretty hungry. Here they are right now. Oh, hey there, I'm driving the back sedan. Well, how do we already ordered by a car? Well, wait till we almost about to be 12 years old for God's sakes. How do you know how to drive? You see, I think I might have crashed the car. What do you mean by that? What in the body is this? I would have waited till you guys show up and you up everything. Wait, you talking about us? No. You guys did a pretty decent job on the pizza. Actually, I have to try it. I'll give a 7 point. Actually, give 8.4 out of 10. Actually, 8 at all. Okay, but look, kids, will you cause mass destruction to the town? Hey, why would you do that? We got a kid who caused mass destruction to the town. He goes by the name of Timmy Joe. God, what a dumb name. Jimmy sounds normal, but got a tomato part. What the? Who? I mean, we just want to say pee-pee. But why is someone insulting my name? He gets to disguise the part. Yeah, you're right. Hold on. You know what? Jimmy, okay. You know what? I'll change your name. How about we just give you, James? Yes, but not some other type dumb name out there in the world. So, you can just forget about that. Still, anyways. You are grounded, young man. Get straight to your room. And you're not having any dinner tonight. You're grounded for 3 weeks. That's fair. What the? Oh, it's a pee-pee. I haven't seen him yet. Hey, can you wait till I'm done? Making this, can you give me 5 minutes till I'm done? Making, this video.
I suppose it's no use if we do no video.
It's only... Oh, how is it this weight? Guess we're just going to Pippi's Pizza Restaurant. You're not coming, Dad. But what the why? Oh, look at you going. Oh, I hope this pizza restaurant will be good. God. It'll be so freaking trash. Dude, let's give it a chance. You know, this might be one of his most good creations he's ever done. Joseph, when he whipped who he made. Okay, I'm not even gonna describe it. Ooh, who saw 3 customers? So those customers actually ate the whole thing. Guys, I guess I'll take the stuffed crust pizza with pepperoni. Make sure it's a little bit greasy. What do you guys want? I think we'll give like 6 chicken wings, because I bet you guys have that. That was our newest item. Do you guys have any cheese sticks? Yeah. I guess I'll take 5 cheese sticks. Some more pepperoni pizza. Alright. Those 3 will be out costing about $12 and 20 cents. How good you got? Well, I think I got money. Well, that comes $20. You take that? No, I'll take that. Oh, I would pay $20? Whoa, that's the highest I ever got paid in the world. I mean, heck, it's way more than they get paid than the usual. Am I right? Why, guys, when they have chefs, they never pay that much. Yup, that is so true. Anyways. So, what? These things will get done in about 20 minutes, alright? Hit the time! 20 minutes later. Wow, let's see what you guys made. Alright, looks like you got the chicken wing, pretty good. Got this cheese sticks, which are pretty good. I think I'm putting on a pizza. It's all try my pepperoni pizza. Please, the rubber guy like it. Give me. Ooh, please, please, please. That's actually not that bad. I give it a 7.8 out of 10. Whoa, that's the highest I ever got my food weighing. Yes, good. Alright, I guess I'll just try my cheese sticks. Yummy! Yeah, they're decent. I'm gonna give maybe a 6.9 out of 10. Oh, that's pretty decent weighing. Whoa, they are weighing it well. No, they're actually weighing it pretty decent. They're actually being kind of nice. I always give my food like 0 out of 10 once I cook the butt mac and cheese. Oh yeah, I love butt mac and cheese. Yeah, I used to love it. Well, I guess I'll try the chicken wings that I ordered. Oh, it's barbecue sauce. I give that one an 8.7 out of 10. Whoa, that's the highest that I ever got in my entire cooking year. That's honestly kind of crazy. But even now, thanks for the food. I guess I was wrong. Yep.